And then next up, you see the vacuum kit there. I'll be opening it up and I'll start vacuum bleeding all the brakes. So it'll be the 6th time I've bled the brakes on this project. So.
And you get an unboxing video.
Oh yeah, yeah.
This is technically an unboxing video now.
All right.
Yeah, those were all the rage on YouTube once.
Yep. Maddox kit. This is Harbor Freight, but it's one of their better brands. And like I said, I got the bigger one because this also has a vacuum testing ability. So I may be able to test the 4-wheel drive system with the vacuum system and see if it would be recoverable.
Upcoming YouTube episode. Or I don't know, I post these things out of order. There may be a past YouTube episode by the time this gets up.
I was gonna say, I'm gonna guess it goes label up.
Let's hope.
And
schmancy.
It does. It has positive. It reads both positive pressure and negative pressure. So, so you can attach that and see if you get vacuum.
Good.
There's instructions. Actually, looks like it's written in decent English. It may actually be written in decent English. But, and reservoir. Get open. Pull all the brake bleed parts out. Nice O-ring. That's kind of O-shaped.
An O-ring that's O-shaped.
Sort of, in a way, kind of.
Close enough for government work.
Okay. It's plastic. I'm trying not to break it. I don't know. Alright. And then you have just a cap for it so you can seal it off. I guess so you can store the fluid if you needed to.
Yeah. Which I'm sure will come in handy for you.
Lines and ends. And you got long lines and ends. Which,
and I like the fact that they're clear.
I do too. That was a big reason why I went with this one, is it did have all the clear lines. Wait, does this say pump to... Ah, yep, I'm on the right side. I'm guessing I'm on the right side. It says to pump. So, which if anyone was really paying attention, you'll notice I read that backwards.
Cyclex DO works for us, I guess.
I knew what it meant.
Well, technically that's the important part.
And now I pulled one tube out, so the other one's trying to say, nope, can't close the bag again. And I'll put that bag with the other bag. Maybe. There we go. And that.
That's a good secure fit.
Let's build nut pressure. Let's see, how do you... Pressure's that way, vacuum's that way. But that's pumping up. Now I've got to look at the instructions because it wasn't. It's not as simple as I thought it would. Maybe.
And we got it.
Yep. So this little piece slides instead of that piece, and forms. Don't pull it all the way off. Just seal it with a ring, and then it makes a vacuum instead of a pressure.
I just wish it wasn't in such a position where it's easy to knock, because that looks like I would hit it against everything. But who knows? This is why I pay other people to do these things, because I'm klutzy like that.
I got too far. You got to make sure not overshoot it, or it'll not work either. A little fussy. I'm glad and this is a nicer one as opposed to the cheap ones. So, but yeah, that's feeling that good vacuum pressure.
Yep.
So that'll work. And I need one of these. Check seal. Yep, it's good.
Alrighty. And now I'm really a fan of this because literally I don't have to do anything. I don't have to pump anything.
Yeah, I'm going to be starting back here because these are the ones that are giving me the most trouble.
And this is just like last time, right? You just hook it up to where you would originally hook your weird bottle up to?
Yeah, you hook it up to the bleed valve, loosen the bleed valve out. I got to get a 9mm and an 8mm loose. Set it as far away as possible from yourself to make it difficult.
I don't know, I thought he was trying to build drama or something. Like maybe he's trying to make this all dramatic.
Nope, I just forgot to move it. Alright, now let's see.